Join me as I take on the challenge of turning a small investment into a steady stream of dividend income, and I'll show you how you can do it too. Hi everyone, my name is Steven, and I'm thrilled to share my story of how I became rich through dividends. It's a journey that anyone can replicate, regardless of their financial background or investing experience. I'll show you that building wealth through dividends is not only possible, but also accessible to everyone willing to learn and invest. In today's video, I will debunk the biggest misconceptions about dividend investing and reveal the step-by-step process that transformed my financial life. Stay with me because what you are about to discover could change your financial future forever. One of the most common myths is that you need a lot of money to start investing in dividends. Many believe it is a game reserved for the wealthy, requiring substantial capital to invest in dividend-paying stocks. But that is simply not true. Even with a small amount of money, you can begin investing in dividends and build wealth over time. Another misconception is that dividend investing is a get-rich-quick scheme. Some think it will make them rich overnight, but that is not how it works. Building wealth through dividends requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. It is not about getting rich quickly, it is about creating a steady stream of income that can last a lifetime. You might also believe that dividend investing is too complicated, that you need to be a financial expert or have a degree in finance. The truth is, investing in dividends is relatively simple. With some basic knowledge and research, anyone can start investing in dividend-paying stocks and grow their wealth over time. When I first ventured into dividend investing, I was intimidated by all the jargon and terminology. I did not know what a dividend yield was or how to calculate it, but I was determined to learn. I started reading books, articles, and online forums about dividend investing. I joined online communities and talked to experienced investors. I started small with a tiny investment in a single dividend-paying stock. Now, here is where it gets interesting. My initial investments were not very exciting. I chose a few established companies with a history of paying consistent dividends. I did not know much about them, but I knew they had a solid track record. I was patient and let my money compound over time. As I continued to learn and invest, I began to see the power of dividend investing firsthand. I started receiving dividend payments from my investments, and it was amazing to see how they added up over time. It was not just about making money, it was about building a steady stream of income that could support me for life. But the real game changer came when I received my first significant dividend payment. It was from a company I had invested in a few years earlier, and the amount was substantial. Seeing that payment hit my bank account validated all the time and effort I had put into learning about dividend investing. It gave me the confidence to continue investing and building wealth. At this point, you might be wondering how you can achieve the same results. Stay tuned, because I am about to share the key strategies that can help you replicate my success. That moment changed my perspective on investing forever. I realized that dividend investing was not just about accumulating wealth, it was about creating financial security and freedom for myself and my loved ones. It empowered me to make choices I never thought possible. In a moment, I will reveal the exact steps you can take to start your own dividend investing journey. But before I do, if you are finding this content valuable, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the Money Mentor Hub. Your support helps us bring more actionable insights to help you reach financial freedom. So, how can you start building wealth through dividends? It begins with education. Learn the basics of dividend investing, understand terms like dividend yield, payout ratio, and ex-dividend date. Research companies with a strong history of paying and increasing dividends. Diversify your investments to mitigate risk. Remember, consistency is key. Reinvest your dividends to take advantage of compound interest. Be patient and maintain a long-term perspective. Over time, you will see your investments grow and your dividend income increase. In conclusion, building wealth through dividends is not rocket science. It is not reserved for the wealthy or the financial elite. Anyone can do it, regardless of background or experience. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn and invest. If you are willing to put in the effort, I promise the results will be worth it. Thank you for watching. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you had any experiences with dividend investing? Share your story and let us learn from each other. And before you go, make sure to check out the video appearing on your screen right now. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. See you in the next one.